In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to orbit your view with Alt and the mouse. Orbiting is one of those essential navigation skills that instantly makes working in a 3D scene feel natural. It lets you rotate your view around a specific point so you can inspect your model from every angle without moving the object itself. We'll keep it simple and stick to one reliable method that uses the Alt key and your left mouse button. Start by selecting the object or point you want to orbit around. This selection becomes your pivot, the invisible anchor your camera will rotate around. You can pick the object directly in the viewport or choose it from your scene list if that's more precise. If nothing is selected, your software may orbit around a default center or behave unpredictably, so take a moment to confirm you have the right item highlighted. With your target selected, place your cursor over the viewport, since that's the area where the navigation will take effect. Now press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Keep it held down the entire time you want to orbit. While holding Alt, press and hold the left mouse button. Don't worry about clicking a specific spot. The key is that your cursor is inside the viewport. While still holding Alt and the left mouse button, click and drag to orbit your view around the selected object. Dragging left or right will rotate your view horizontally around the object, and dragging up or down will tilt your view vertically. Use smooth, controlled movements for the best results. Small drags give you fine control, while longer drags rotate more dramatically. If your orbit feels too fast, slow your hand movement. If it feels sluggish, increase your drag distance. When you've reached the angle you want, simply release the mouse button, then release Alt. If nothing seems to happen, double-check that the viewport is active by clicking inside it first, and make sure Alt is held down before you begin dragging. If your orbit feels off-center, you may have the wrong object selected. Reselect your intended target and try again. And if the motion feels inverted compared to what you expect, stay consistent with this method for a bit. Your muscle memory will quickly adapt. That's all there is to it. Select your target, hold Alt, hold the left mouse button, and drag in the viewport to orbit smoothly around your chosen point. With a little practice, this will become second nature and dramatically speed up your navigation and inspection in any 3D scene.